So in this one, I'm just going to show you, we said last time that the point could be on the object, it could be inside the object, it could be outside the object. So we saw what it was like to do it on the object. It's very similar to when you're doing it when it's inside the object or outside the object. And we're just going to go through a couple examples to show you. Now, it's not quite, sometimes when it's on the object, you've got that nice little vertical and horizontal line that you can just turn, as we saw in the first example. But this looks a lot like the next example where it wasn't so pretty because obviously we don't have a perfect horizontal or vertical line because it's not even on the object at all. So you got to just pick a vertex, and then draw your horizontal and vertical lines. So this one wants 180 degrees clockwise around -7, 5. So I'll just pick C here. That goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. Okay, so I'm going to turn this 180 degrees. So we know that this is 90 degrees. And then this would be 180 degrees, 2, 3, 4. So that came like this and then like this, which means this is C prime. So that was 90 and then 90 again. So this whole thing is 180, right? That's a 180 degree turn. And again, these are not part of the image. They're just for my reference so that I can see what a 180 degree turn looks like. Okay. So I'm going to do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, and then 1. So 180 degrees will be 90 like this, and then 90 like this. So my new A prime must be right there. I'm going to get rid of my references and do the same thing with B. So again, just so I'm not going to get in the way here, 180 degrees is the same either direction. So I'm just going to go counterclockwise to make it a little easier on myself. 1, 2, and then you have to realize which direction this is coming from. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be like this. And then rotate it again. B prime. So yeah, the part where people get messed up is, they might draw the next one. They got something like this, and they might draw the next one like, or like that or something. You have to remember that we turn like this, and they might do that. Oh, that was right. They might go that way and get that mixed up. So just kind of visualize which direction this is. So, oh no, that was right. So that's right. They might do it this way and get kind of confused. So just remember you got it in the right direction. Undo that. I hate that. That makes this the new image, A prime, B prime, C prime. Let me check that here. So what is this, 180 degree rotation? Rotate 180. This is the moment of truth. Boom. There it is. Got it. So you can see I rotated that 180 degrees all the way around that point. Let's try a different one. Now let's go 180 around 0.5. This is a point that's outside the object, but it's going to be super similar to what we just did because all you're going to do is, again, pick a vertex and make your horizontal and vertical lines so that you can turn. All right, so a 90-degree turn is going to look like this, and 180 is going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's my C prime. Okay, get rid of my guiding. And then do it again. So I'm going to make horizontal and vertical to B. Turn it 180. Again, it doesn't matter which direction since it's 180. And after that 180-degree turn, I am at my new B prime, and I'm going to ditch my guiding. I accidentally erased C prime there, so I hope I put it in the same spot. And we'll do the same thing with A. So, and A was 11 away, so it's going to be 11 over here. There's my new A prime. Erase the guiding lines, and that's my new image. Okay, let's check it. 180. Boop. There it is. Oops. So that's all you got to do. You just got to draw in a little reference, some vertical, horizontal lines so that you can make the turns. And then have that reference there so that you know what distance it's going to be at. And you got it.